Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can send all tabs within a space on Workona as links, for example, to your co-editors or contacts if you're working on the same project and you and your contact need access to the same group of tabs for that project. So let us dive into this. So open up Workona in your browser by accessing it as a separate tab. For example, you're on Google Chrome in the top left corner, and navigate to the tabs or the spaces of tabs you would like to share. Now there are several ways how you can do this, guys. You can, for example, click into these three dots here next to the given space and select share, or alternately what you may do is open up the space here and click into these three dots and use one of these options, for example, copy all links, or you can decide to send all links for each of these tabs, not one by one, but all of them at once via email or Slack. So which option you go with is up to you. I will go with this one here, copy all links. It is going to save basically the URL to all of these tabs to my clipboard, so that I may, as you can see, send it to my contact, for example, via a direct messaging service to invite that person to work with me on the project with the same tabs open through their browser, guys. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.